Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the renewed 2022 Apple iPad Pro, the 11-inch model with Wi-Fi, plus cellular, and a generous 256 gigabytes of storage, finished in a sleek silver. This isn't just any tablet. It's a powerhouse designed for professionals and creatives on the go. The first thing that grabs your attention is the stunning 11-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. The promotion technology makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth, while True Tone ensures colors look natural in any lighting conditions. The P3 wide color gamut delivers vibrant and accurate colors, making it a joy for photo and video editing, as well as simply watching content. Under the hood, the Apple M2 chip is a game changer. With its 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this iPad Pro handles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing 4K videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or multitasking between multiple apps, the M2 chip delivers exceptional performance. Connectivity is top-notch, with ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E and 5G cellular capabilities. This ensures you stay connected wherever you are, whether you're working from a coffee shop or on location. The all-day battery life is another huge plus, allowing you to power through your workday without constantly searching for an outlet. The camera system is equally impressive. The 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage keeps you in focus during video calls, while the 10MP ultra-wide back camera and LiDAR scanner open up a world of possibilities for augmented reality experiences. The LiDAR scanner also enhances the camera's low-light performance, resulting in better photos and videos in challenging lighting conditions. iPadOS 16 takes the iPad Pro to the next level with its powerful productivity and collaboration features. The updated multitasking interface makes it easier to work with multiple apps simultaneously, while the new collaboration tools allow you to seamlessly work with others on projects in real time. The USB-C connector with Thunderbolt USB 4 support provides blazing fast data transfer speeds and allows you to connect to a wide range of accessories, including external displays and storage devices. And of course, the iPad Pro works seamlessly with the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen and Magic Keyboard Smart Keyboard Folio, transforming it into a versatile workstation. This renewed iPad Pro offers incredible value for money. You get all the power and features of the latest model at a more affordable price. If you're looking for a tablet that can handle anything you throw at it, the 2022 Apple iPad Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.